At Estanc, SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS PDM have become key tools for us in handling complex and customized solutions, because we don't just deliver products, we deliver solutions to our clients. We design and produce pressure vessels, heat exchangers, and complex steel structures. Our focus is on delivering high-quality, tailor-made solutions that meet our customer-specific technical requirements. When Estanc was established in 1992, we started with simple tanks. Over time, we have gradually moved towards more complex and large-scale projects. Key milestones include expanding our engineering capabilities, investing in modern production technologies, and entering more demanding international markets. Today, we are capable of delivering highly complex projects that require advanced design, strict standards, and close cooperation with global clients. Our customers are mainly in highly demanding sectors like energy, oil and gas, chemicals, carbon capture, and hydrogen. When operating in critical environments, every detail matters. We need to meet different design codes and standards, depending on the industry, as well as working with a wide range of materials and complex requirements. From material selection to welding quality and documentation, reliability and precision are essential.
For us, everything starts from engineering. We cover the entire life cycle of a product from initial design to documentation, manufacturing, delivery, and installation. Engineering as a field has evolved rapidly. As our product portfolio grew more complex, we noticed a need for a more capable CAD solution. In 2011, we landed on SOLIDWORKS as the software that would best fit our needs. It bridges the gap between design, production, and project management, and allows us to collaborate closely, something that is essential in product development today. It gives us the opportunity to show our clients where we are heading with the project from the very start, allowing them to comment and adjust the 3D model from the beginning of the process. This communication with the client is crucial because changes and new requirements are common. As our projects have scaled in size and complexity, SOLIDWORKS has supported us in designing increasingly complex equipment and managing demanding technical requirements more efficiently.
We implemented SOLIDWORKS PDM in 2017, and it has become a very valuable tool for managing our engineering data. It helps us manage revisions and collaborate within assemblies. When manufacturing pressure equipment, material traceability is extremely important. SOLIDWORKS PDM creates unique ID numbers that allow us to trace engineered parts from design through production all the way to the final product. Over time, we have integrated SOLIDWORKS PDM with our ERP system. This allows us to import data directly from the model into ERP, which helps reduce human errors and saves our engineers valuable time. It also ensures that all parties are always working with the latest approved drawings.
One of the most noticeable impact of SOLIDWORKS PDM came during a major cyber attack, when all our servers and even backup servers were encrypted. Fortunately, the only server that was not affected was our SOLIDWORKS PDM backup. We are grateful that we were able to continue working through the attack without any significant delays or losing our data due to SOLIDWORKS PDM.
Our collaboration with PLM Group has been going on for a long time. In the early stages of implementing SOLIDWORKS, PLM Group provided valuable knowledge and training that helped our engineers learn the tools faster and build the necessary skills for daily work. Beyond software licenses, PLM Group has supported us with PDM-related technical support, courses and trainings.
Our past experience with a cyber attack and future vision of growth has also piqued our interest in trying the 3D Experience platform in our design process. We see it improving every year, and it has the potential to support our development, security and collaboration, as well as help us improve our engineering workflows in general.
And if there's one thing we would say to other engineering companies starting a similar journey, don't wait for perfect conditions. Your future workflow depends on starting now.